Hi guys, as you can see, I'm not in Thailand at the moment, also not in Pattaya. I'm in my hometown, but I will come to Thailand in about 2 weeks. I also did a little tour with my motorbike here in my hometown, and I will show you a little bit around, okay? Okay guys, I wanted to show you something. The trees here, they have blossoms now. I think it's beautiful. Don't ask me the name of the trees because I really don't know. I'm not a botanic or something. And they only have flowers for about 1 or 2 weeks in a year. And then they start to falling off, of course. Really beautiful. It's only this street. It's nearby my home here, but this is not the street where I am living in. I hope the sound is clear in the microphone, even when I'm driving. Looking for a nice quiet spot. I think this is perfect. So I wanted to do a little update what is going on. Just uploaded part 5 of my Koshishang videos. Hope you like them. Now I'm doing a little update about what is going to happen. So I'm back in Thailand in about 1 or 2 weeks. And I will do some more videos there also, of course. But if you have any tips or any videos that you would like to see about Thailand, please let me know, okay? I will try to make them for you. So maybe I will do a question and answer vlog about the questions you ask, of course. So I can answer your questions in about 1 or 2 weeks when I'm back in Thailand. And I'll make a vlog about your questions or your requests or whatever. So guys, I will show you also a little bonus, of course, because this is a short update. And I will show you how they make pancakes in Thailand, especially more in Pattaya. Okay, I hope you like it. It's not big, it's just a little movie I made with my smartphone. So guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you not have done yet, and I see you in a few weeks, okay? This is my other camera where I'm filming with. Okay, I'm gonna sit here a little bit. Hi guys. This is better, no? So rain, if you can see this is my selfie stick that I bought about 3 months ago, and it still works fine. So I really like your selfie stick also. That's weird when I say that, no? When I like your selfie stick, no? I like your selfie stick also, but it's big, man, big. It's like a fishing rod or something, I don't know. When you pull it all out, 5 meters, I think you can catch a shark with that. Jaws or something. So, a little bit crazy with walking, just a big, whatever. Okay. So what else? Well, as you can see, the weather is nice now here in Belgium. It's about, yeah, between 15 and 20 degrees. I think 16, 17 about, yeah. It's nice. I think Thailand next week will be much hotter. It's about 38, I read somewhere, I don't know. So guys, and girls of course, if you have any suggestions about my videos, please let me know, okay? If you have any questions about Thailand, about Pattaya, so ask me in the comment section below. Huh? It's crazy, vlogging here. Hope my microphone works good. There's a lot of traffic here in the neighborhood. There's a big road and there's a big, also a big road with a lot of traffic, and it makes a lot of noise, but I hope my sound cuts off the voice in a proper way, so yeah. So what next videos I'm gonna make also, I think I'm gonna make a video about Bell Travel. Bell Travel, they have a taxi service or a van service that travels between the airport, Bangkok and Pattaya. And for about 200 to 300 baht you can go with the van from the airport to Pattaya or Bangkok. But you have to book it in front on the website, so you'll be sure you have a seat, and you have to pay also in front, but it's only 200 or 250 baht, I don't know. But I will show you how you make that reservation. I will make a screenshot of that with the screen recorder, and then you can see perfect how you have to book with Bell Travel. Also, when I arrive at Suvarnabhumi airport, I will show you where you can find Bell Travel and how it works. Okay, I think that's a good video also. Yeah. So what else is coming up? Yeah, videos. I'm gonna rent a motorbike in Pattaya also. I decided that to do. I not rented a motorbike I never rented a motorbike in Pattaya itself, only on Koh Lan, that's safe there. But Pattaya is dangerous, but my condo is a little bit far from the beach and second road and Buakhao, so I think I'm gonna rent now a motorbike. I have a license for driving a motorbike here in Belgium, but that's not good for in Thailand, I think. But I probably will ask for an international driver's license. I think that's better. If the police stop you, you can show a 2 driver license, and I don't know if you have to pay a fine or not, but. So I'll make some videos also, shot for my motorbike and driving around in Pattaya. I'm not sure if I will visit other cities now in Thailand, because I'm a little bit busy also with my work. So I stay in my condo in Pattaya, and if I work during the day, I have free off time in the evening, I think. So no islands anymore. I think some of you are happy also now. I'm not making videos of islands again. Okay, this was it. Enjoy the video with the pancake I made. And thank you for watching, of course. And I hope you liked the video from the pancake. It was only a short movie, but I shot it with my smartphone, but I think it's nice to see for people who never saw that, how they make it. And it's only about 30 or 40 baht for a pancake. So, but it's very greasy, you know. Did you see what they put on it? Oil, butter, unbelievable. That cannot be healthy, I think. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you see me in Pattaya, give a shout and we will drink a beer together, okay? If you buy me one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ask me in the description below. Ask me in the, how you call that, comment section.